Hey guys, welcome back. So what we're looking at today is lesson 16, finding the percentage. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So jumping rope. A school held a jump roping contest. Diego jumped rope for 20 minutes. Jada jumped rope for 15 minutes. What percentage of Diego's time is that? So being as we're trying to find percentage of, we are going to take the number of minutes Jada jumped divided by the number of minutes Diego jumped, since he is our 100% in this case, to find out what that decimal is, which in this case it is 0.75. Then we multiply that by 100 because we're looking at percentages. So times 100, we'll find that it's 75%. So she jumped for 75% of Diego's time. Lynn jumped rope for 24 minutes. What percentage of Diego's time is that? Once again, oops, weird lines. So 24 divided by 20 is going to give us a number over 1, which can happen, so don't think that we did something wrong. It's going to give us 1.2. We multiply that by 100 still, so it moves our decimal twice. So she jumped for 120% of Diego's time. Now, we have more than 100% because she jumped for more time than what Diego did. He only jumped for 20 minutes. She jumped for 24, so that makes sense that she should have a number over 100 for her percentage because she jumped more than he did. All right, Noah jumped for 9 minutes. What percentage of Diego's time is that? So we take 9 and divide it by 20. When we take 9 and divide by 20, we're going to get 0.45. We multiply that by 100. So that means he jumped for 45% of Diego's time. So we have this table here. So Diego, his time in minutes was 20, so the percentage is 100. 20 divided, we're taking the time they jumped divided by 20. So 20 divided by 20 is 1. That's how we know the percentage is 100. Jada was 15 minutes. So 15 divided by 20 is 0.75. So our percentage is 75. Lynn was 24 minutes. So 24 divided by 20 is 1.2 we found. So that's how we got our 120%. And 9 divided by 20 was 4.5. So it's 45%. So for number 5, what do you notice about the numbers in the last 2 columns of the table? So what do we notice between these here and these here? Well, the percentages in the second to last column are 100 times the decimal in the last column. So I'm going to pause this so I can write it out so that way you can see it a little better. So one second. The percentage in the second to last columns are 100 times the decimals in the last column. To find what percentage a number is of 20, we divide it by 20 and then multiply by 100. So they're all a difference of 100. They're 100 times as much because we're moving that decimal 2 places. So we're multiplying by the 100 because we're dealing with the percentage. And percentages are out of 100. So your keyword for this lesson is divide. Divide is your keyword for this lesson. All right, the next thing we're looking at, a restaurant has a sign by the front door that says maximum occupancy, 75 people. Answer each question and explain or show your reasoning. What percentage of its capacity is 9 people? So we're going to take our 9, divide it by the possible occupancy. So 9 divided by 75 is going to give us 0.12. Then we multiply that by 100 and we get 12%. It does not look like 12%. Hang on. 12%. So 9 people would be 12% occupancy. So for number 2, what percentage of its capacity is 51? Same idea. 51 divided by 75 equals 0.68. We multiply that by 100. So we find that its capacity is at 68%. Now the last one, we take 84 and we divide it by 75, which is going to give us 1.12 times 100, which will give us 112%, which means what? It's over capacity. So we have too many people. So this is how we take and find percentages. You're just taking the total possible amount, and that's what you're using to divide by, and you're taking the number that you have, so the 9 people, the 51 people, the 84 people, and dividing by how many possible people could be there, what that maximum is, and then multiplying that value by 100 to find your percentage. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day, guys.